welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are doing a stateroom tour. We are in stateroom 1039, and I have been on this ship before, the Disney Wonder, but we are staying in a better room. I don't even know if it's better. I think it's a little bit better because the bathrooms are separated and it's a little bit bigger. I will look at the name. I think it says Deluxe. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, let's hear all about it. Our room was ready about 1:30. You do have the cards that you can see on the fish hooks, or if you have a magic band, you can also use that to open the door, and they link it when you come in through customs. So that's how we came in. We didn't even open the envelope. The first thing you see is lights. You have the entrance light, the cabin light, and the light for the toilet. We're going to turn those back up. So here is the first half of the toilet. So this is your most important half, I think. But you have the sink. You have, of course, hand soap. Oh, I thought it was glued to there. It's not glued on there. You have a little bit of shelf space. A little bit. We'll see how we fight for it. It explains to you how to wash hands, which is great. You have a little more cubby space, so maybe we won't have to fight because there's, I think, going to be plenty of cubby space. You have towels to dry your hands, and in the toilet. And I don't know. I think it'll be okay for me. We'll see what my husband thinks because his needs are a little bit longer. So we'll have to ask him in a couple of days what he thought. On the way out of the toilet, you see the closet. And the closet has a safe. It has two little cubbies, tons of hangers, the life jackets, laundry bag. But I believe there is laundry service on the ship. So if we do that, I will attach it to this video so you can see us do laundry. We brought laundry soap just in case because we have been in Vancouver for a couple of days. And we didn't want to overpack, so we can buy a ton. Here is the second half of the bathroom. There I am. Hello. But you have a trash bin, and you have a sink, really cute. More towels, of course. These are like actual shower towels. This is conserve the water. There is a makeup towel, which I love because I don't know about y'all. As hard as I try, there's always a little bit of makeup residue. Some lotion, sea salt bath soap, some more little towels, more little tiny cubby space down there. And then you have your shower. It is a tub. So we got just our general room, but I believe you can get rooms that are more accessible and don't have a tub. I feel like the other time we were on the cruise for the Wonder, we did not have a tub. I remember it was just like walking in. But here is the bath. I will come back to you and let you know what we thought about it. But it's already so much bigger than all of the other cruises I've been on. I will tell you that I always stay in the value room because we like to travel, but we cut costs here and there. And usually the rooms or the hotels is where I cut cost. You have 4 cups of water, which we probably won't use. You have Mr. and Mrs. Walt Disney, which is Marceline Yabi. Isn't his wife Marceline? Anyways, you have more cubbies. Right there, more down there. You have a little place to sit, maybe for your shoes, and then so you could plop like this and just sit here and stare at everybody else in the room. You could do that. And then from here, I'll show you this side, since I could be sitting. You have a full body mirror right there. You also have a little bin. You have a Brian that is not included in the stateroom. You also have a Brendan not included in the stateroom, so I apologize. They will not be there when you get there. Here is like a little table that you can move. I remember B and I moved it a lot last time and never actually stayed here. And then this will be one of the beds. So the couch turns into a Murphy bed. Or sometimes they pull this out and this becomes a bed. So technically you could have, I believe, up to 4 people in a room, maybe 5 if it's littles. I'm not really sure about the rules and regulations on that, but yeah, so either it could be pull out or just the couch. And the people who come and clean the room are the ones who set it up. So while you're out at dinner, that's when your room will be set up. It will not be Brendan. It will not be Brendan doing it. No, it won't. You also have this bag, which I don't know if it's for us. I have no clue. I don't want to assume. And then, I get charged $24.99 for it. It is? We're not Castaway Club members.
It's probably like our goodie bag.
I need to look it up. I don't want to be charged. It's cute if it's free. We also pre-bought this mug. It's a beer mug package. I think it shaves off $2 or $3 every time you get a refill. But they're going to share it between the two of them. So we think we're going to make our money's worth out of it. Sorry, Ryan. I didn't know you were taking a cat nap. You do have a TV with tons of Disney movies. Maybe we'll make Brian watch Tingled. He said he's only seen it twice, which to me is a crime. And then you have more shelving space down here. You have long, deep cabinets. You have more of these little drawers. Hair dryer, good to know. And then a place for your hot tools. You just put it out. The only thing with these is I always find a hair in them. So we'll see if I find a hair in that one. More of them. And then you do have a fridge. We were a little bit worried at first, but there is a fridge. Ta-da! It's a mini fridge, but it'll do. It'll work, And then moving forward, we have tiny little spaces here next to the bed. You have more light lampshades. I love this feature. It's a little Mickey. The bed looks really nice. And last time we didn't have this feature, but you have more cabinet space. Like the amount of storage in this room is insane. Like I don't think I've ever had this much storage. We did get a view of Donald Duck, which I'm so excited about. And then we get to look at the ocean. No, we get to look at ourselves. But we won't really be in the room unless we're sleeping or hanging out or getting ready. So yeah, I will show you in a couple of hours what it looks like once I moved in. And then I will check back in with you in a couple of days and talk about pros, cons, things like that. Before I forget, there is a privacy curtain. So if like somebody wants to watch a movie and the people over here want to sleep, you can close it. Or I don't know, maybe Brian wants to feel like he is in his own room, he can close it. But yeah, we will come back and make a final review. Oh, wow, I forgot. I didn't even see this. There's more. There's stuff you can take for souvenirs. Well, I don't know if that's true, but you could. There is postcards that you can take for souvenirs. That's nice. Also $24.99. But yeah, I'll figure this out. I'll come back to you. Okay. Came after dinner real quick, and Brian's little bed is set up. He'll tell us how it is, if it's comfortable, if not. And then the blinds were closed. And it's a penguin! Right? Laundry is here that we sent out in another vlog. Room 1039. Thank you for the opportunity to assist you with your laundry needs. Sincerely, the laundry team at Disney Cruise Line. Very cute. And then I think they folded it too. But let me check. Neatly folded, honestly. It's so nice and neat and packaged like a little gift. Stateroom overall was really good. Two of us stayed here, and the curtains really helped because Brian slept in longer than us. So we were able to keep the curtains closed and still be able to play on our iPads or whatever without waking him up. It also helped because I'm the first one to fall asleep, so I was sleeping there. So we closed half of the curtain, so they were still able to watch TV and do food service here while I was sleeping, no problems. It really worked out that there was two bathrooms, the toilet bathroom and the shower bathroom, and that they both have sinks. That was a huge part because some of us could brush our teeth while some of us got ready. And yeah, Brian slept in the sofa section of it. How was it?
It was fine.
Yeah.
After a couple of days, you're so tired, you just pass out.
Comfort wise, you're older, you're an old man, so how was it for your back and stuff?
Could have been a little fluffier, I think.
Okay.
Two pillows were nice. Cold sometimes. I had to like put on like, the shawl or whatever.
Oh yeah, the animal.
Yeah.
You took apart the animal.
Yeah, because it's cold.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, that's good to know. So if you're sleeping here, maybe ask for an extra blankie.
Yeah.
We still have tons of cabinets that were empty, by the way. B and I pretty much used all of those. I used the first two here. These two were empty. The fridge was pretty much, fine. The pantry, what we call it, was pretty much empty. You used that?
I did, but then I didn't because it was
It's deep.
easier just to have it here, yeah.
Yeah, so not really use that. Brian used all of the drawers here. The closet, we all use the closet, honestly, and all fit. There's plenty of hangers. Bathroom, some of us put our stuff here. Some of us put our stuff in the bathroom. So overall, 3 adults, one room. What do you think?
Yeah, it's doable.
Yeah, for more than 7 days, or do you think this was?
I think for 7 days is solid.
Oh, if it was 11, would you get your own room?
It's like a couple days. I don't know if I'll do that long of a cruise. honestly.
Okay, so wrong question.
Yeah.
All right. I hope you enjoyed embarkation vlog / room tour. Let me know if you have any questions about embarkation, booking a room, how do you decide, all of that. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of our days at sea. There's Brian. All of our days at sea, all of the excursions, Canada, and all of that. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.